Hello, welcome, my name is Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this video. Now this video is a sound demonstration video. It's to allow you to have a listen to the sound of this particular drum just here. Now this drum is on our Etsy shop, so this is linked to that listing so that you can have a little listen. It's an 18-inch buffalo skin drum. It's on an ashwood frame. If I turn it over, you can see the way that it's been laced here. It's got artificial sinew around the outside connecting to an inner circle here, which is also artificial sinew, but trimmed with sari rope. Birchwood branch handle, trimmed with leather and wool, as you can see. Lots of information on the inside of the frame too. Birth on the 24th of March 2024 in Knighton Parish, UK. That's for all of you who are interested in the astrology of the drum and what was happening, the energies around on the day it was birthed. I've put a little Aries symbol in there because the 24th of March is the first day of Aries there or thereabouts. So yeah, buffalo and ash and my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. So quite a lot going on in there. Let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. I'll swap over halfway through. Either of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your drum. As I say, let's start with a firmer one. Here we go. Beautiful. So that's a firm beater, and this is the softer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope the little video helps you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing online. It's always tricky. So yeah, I'm Crow, Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.